one more tensioner we got to put in there. It runs on the other side, but it stays stationary. We can put it in after. This. Goes on. And this is for your water pump, like we talked about earlier. Okay. It's your water pump chain. That's why these engines are noisy, because of all the chains.
I'm trying to put them on both on at the same time.
Make sure you get the pin in there, which I don't have yet. I'm close. Oh, hold on there. This is kind of a pain in the butt. So, there it is.
And we'll put a clutch basket back in.
No.
Oh, you can do water pump stuff.
This is a water pump. Chain tensioner. Yeah, sure. Goes here like that. You filming, Robert?
Yeah, better from a lower angle.
So again, this is your camshaft chain tensioner. Just goes out like that. Keeps it nice and tight. All right, water pump. And I think bolts.
right, you only got 3.
No, I got a bunch of them.
I got at least 3 must be right.
I ain't Loctite in these. Okay. There's something to hold that on. Maybe it's this.
That's the one down in front.
No, this one here. Okay, it's good. You already got to put all this stuff on at one time, didn't you? You can go ahead and get us on. Alright, now we'll stick this stuff back on there. Oh, that's a little weird. This is your starter clutch. It actually has clutches in this. There's clutch plates and steel plates in this. So, I guess we got too much compression. It wouldn't turn over, these would slip. That's something. Never knew that. Learn something every day.
Not if we don't have to.
This is a one-way clutch for your starter.
Is that washer centered?
Huh? Yeah, it's centered.
Roger made it fun.
But if that spins,
Both ways. Maybe that's what makes it one way. It's spinning fast enough the clutch is locked
well,
in.
what I'm saying is, if that spins like that, okay, this is your starter. Hits this, spins this, it ain't turn over the rest of the engine.
No, there's gotta be something in between.
There's nothing in between.
Pause. About to start torquing down the balancer pulleys and gears. Again, this is a Suzuki Marauder. Back when Suzuki and Kawasaki had their collaboration period. This is the exact same bike as the Kawasaki 1600 Mean Streak. As a matter of fact, the Suzuki frame even says Kawasaki right on it. Chain on the back side of the water pump.
That's why these things are so noisy. There's lots of chains.
There's the timing chain coming out the other side. And there's the water pump chain. Inside the crankcase.
And we're putting the front timing chain on. And we'll put the, I'm on your way there, Roger.
That's why I was better over there, just shooting low angles and I could see.
Where'd you get this paint at?
Lowe's or something.
Oh, Home Depot. And Lowe's are one of the two, I don't know which it was.
Installing the driver side or left side timing chain follower. Keeper. I apologize to you YouTube audience. Dave, just a little. You're good.
Chain. What's that?
It'll be a follower.
Oh, so which side are we on? Yep.
That's at 2 hours, Roger.
You see, they don't trust my mechanic skills at all. They gave me the camera.
2 hours, it probably has gone 2 hours.
You tear up one anvil with a necktie and they won't let you touch it again.
Nice socket, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's big fast one.
Yeah. It's not the right size for one thing.
Nope.
All right, that's that. Now, we are putting on the flywheel, which weighs about 30 pounds. An issue. Got an issue here. Damn cam, God damn it.
It's not on the.
Let's
Watch it, Pepper. You're in the shot.
that aligns with.
I'm really gonna hold this gear with my thumb.
I just can't see.
Or is it lining? Oh, okay, you're.
Okay, hold on just a minute. I need a flashlight. Right dead on.
Yep. There it is.
Right dead on it.
We're good.
All right, we got that lined up. Hopefully she won't vibrate.
Well, again, with your seat, you'll never know if it does. Just a few miles and you'll be.
Nice seat.
If that's what you wanna call it.
A lot of magnets in there.
Like I said, what'd you do, cut yourself?